Wisconsin? Okay. You want to go, Tony? Give it your best. We can go the money if you want $1,000. Something's fun. Wow. We just got this help, right, Tony? Are you having fun? So good. Okay, ready? Yeah. Does he have a machine gun? There's nothing on there. There's one. I'm going to see if this is for real.